Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off our screen lock, how our pin screen lock in Motorola Edge 15 EFO. So first of all, we have our screen lock. Of course, we need to know the password, but how to delete this option, how to remove it. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then in the security and privacy, we have device lock, and here is our screen lock option, and we have pin selected. To change this function, of course, we need to enter the same password that we have on the screen, and now we can change for whatever we want. Swipe pattern, password. We can also change our pin number if you want to, but if you want to change, if you want to delete our screen lock completely, we need to select the first option, and now our screen lock is off completely. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.